Hello and welcome into today's quick tutorial video. Today I am just going to quickly show you how cars work and how you can make them move in a matter of seconds. So basically all the coding is decently easy to do, but first before you do any coding you have to make your car. So a very important thing is that number one, zoom in a lot, and then find that little, there we are. So see that little aimer dot there? We have to put a line going across that, so that's where the back of the car like turns. It's very complicated. Anyways, basically that's where, no, it's so complicated. So we just need the middle to go like that. So the back should be like that. And then we can just continue making a car. I'm not going to go too fancy. I'm just going to do it very quickly, easily. Good enough. Now that we have done that, maybe I'll just add something else. Blah, blah, blah. Anyways, you can basically make any type of thing you want. Anything. Any type of car you want by drawing it, and then you click on code, and this is where it all starts. First you get a when the green flag is clicked button, then we want a forever, and we also need a zoom. So what we do is we just go here and we all capitals zoom, and for all sprites, okay, and then we get set, change that to zoom. Now put a forever there. Then we should get an if then. Get another if then. And another if then. 3 of those. And we're going to go to motion. We're going to go move. Now here's the thing. You wouldn't need any of this if you want it to be mouse control. So you steer with your mouse. But if you wanted buttons, well then this is the way to do it. But I'll show you how you make it so it's just mouse control. It will move by itself unless you want to go more technical. So you put a move 10 steps there, and then you just get a point towards mouse pointer. And then you don't need any of this, so you just chuck that all out, and it should work. Oh no, we need to put the move in there. There. So that's how you make a car. That's probably the most simplest way, but I want to make it buttons controls. And if I make it button controls, well then it won't move by itself. So we get our if then's back. Oh, whoops. If then, duplicate, put in there. Nope, it's still on. Put another one in there, another one in there. Now we'll just put the move there, and then we go to centering. I think that's it. And we go to key. And we can change that to the up arrow because that's going to be our going forward. Then we need to get our turning. So we go to motion and we get a turn right. Was that right? Yes, right. 15 degrees is fine. And then we go to centering. Actually, we could just duplicate this, put it in there, and we make it right because that turning on that is right. Then we duplicate this, put it in here, oops, make that left, and get another turning, set the opposite direction, and does this work? Yes it does. Okay, so we have up arrows forward, there is no brake, wait, no that's not how it works, you just let go of the go button to brake, and then we also have turn, so you can just hold it and turn around, and that is how you make a car. Very simple. If it's not simple to you, maybe you just have to get used to it and copy this a few times and keep practicing. Or you just don't like making games, I suppose, but if you want to, that's how you do it. That's the easiest way. Other YouTube videos usually do too much technical stuff, like breaking points. They go in here, they make so much stuff, they make my blocks. This is so complicated, I can't even keep up. So that's normal. If you want to make a backdrop, you go paint. You can just paint a racetrack, turn the thickness up like 100, type it in, change the color to white, turn it down, and you can just paint like a track to race on. And that's how you do it. Now this app is completely free. Literally, if you want to start making games like I am right now, you go into your web browser and type in S, and if it doesn't come, whoops, if you type in S and it doesn't come up, CR, and it will definitely come up, or ATCH, Scratch. Then you can start making games, but it would be better to log in. All you need is your Google account. If you have a YouTube channel or just a YouTube account, you can sign in with that or anything. So thank you for watching my tutorial. I do more Scratch tutorials coming out. Please subscribe to my channel. I've only got 70 subscribers still, or 72, and I put a lot of work. I think I deserve 100 subscribers, even though 100's not that much.